as you have seen in previous examples, by default, the ls command lists all the hidden directory files. So sometimes this can be overkill, especially when you're just looking for information on a few files. So fortunately, the ls command also provides a way for you to define a filter on the command line. So it uses the filter to determine which files or directories it should display in the output. So before using the filter command here, let's create some files to play with the via torch command here, so which you will learn torch command in more detail in next lecture. So let's actually by creating torch here, so let's create our file names. So my file auxiliary academy, my document, just a picture, and yeah, that's, I think that's okay enough. Yeah, and here the ls, and as you can see here, just a picture, my document, my file, and auxiliary academy is created here. So now let's actually create another image, another file too. So touch, and in order to do that, so let's actually create the file, fill, and full here. We also created this, and file, fill, and full. So the filter command works as simple text matching strings. So include the filter after any command line parameters you want to use, like this for L here, for example. In this case, we're gonna use the L long here. So now we're gonna create, for example, my file. Yeah, right, my file. And as you can see here, we specified the name of the specific file as the filter. So the ls command only shows this file information. Sometimes you might not know the exact file name you're looking for, and the ls command also recognizes standard wildcat characters and uses them to match patterns with the filter. So a question mark here represents one character. So ls, a question mark represents one character here. So you can do like this. Let's actually create. So here, let's actually open our marker. Oops, sorry. Yeah, let's open our marker G here. Yeah, grommet. And now I want to write something on here. So firstly, as we created our files, we have file, firstly file. So then we have fill, and then we have fill, and also lastly we have full here. So let's actually, what these characters and sentences has common is that they always start with F, and the last characters is always L here. So in this case, if we want to filter this, we can also do this. For example, here. So let's create new file. In order to do that, we're gonna do lsl here. Oops, lsl, and as you can see here, we have file, full, fill, and other documents here. So if we want to just print these files, we need to do ls here, clear lsl. So we're gonna do here lsl f question mark and fill, or ll here. And as you can see here, we are this question mark, as I said earlier, represents one character. So this question mark represents one character that we don't know, but we want to search these terms here, as you can see here. So here we added the question mark here. So we added here F question mark and LL. So this tells us that start four characters that start with the F, and end to the last two characters has two L's on it. So we just want to filter this here. So we also have the asterisk to represent any number of characters. But here, for example, we can also do, let's actually delete this. Yeah. we can also, so here we had the my file, my document, just a picture, and let's create another here, touch and my auxiliary, touch my Linux, and ls here, clear, firstly lsl, and as you can see here, my document, my file, my Linux, my auxiliary. So in order to do that, we're gonna do here ls, lsl here. So we're gonna do, so as you know here, so we have the my document, also we have here my file, also we have my Linux, also lastly my auxiliary. Here, so now in order to search these files, as you can see here with the lsl command, we got like wide range of files. But if we want to filter these files, and the filter names that starts with the my here, mi or other characters, we're gonna do just this here. So let's get here, and we will do my and this asterisk, and here it will show us files that start with my. So we can also do that with this here, so lsl f and asterisk instead of here, and as you can see here, we got the same result. But actually these are not the same, of course. If we, for example, let's create another file, touch fail, and here we will enter our old command, so clear lsl, and as you can see, we have fail, fall, fill, and full. And here we're gonna do, we will do the previous command here, f, and here ll here, and as you can see, we don't see our fail here because fail last two characters is not ll here. So that's it with our example here. In next lecture I will talk about the handling and creating files in Linux. So see you later.